My YouTube channel. So we will be continuing discussing our top into 150 series on Leetcode, and today we are going to discuss product of array except itself question. So let's go to the question and see what it states. So it states that given an integer array nums, return an array answer such that answer I is equal to product of all elements of nums except nums I. So we have to return the product of all elements of the nums except that current element. The product of any prefix or suffix of nums is guaranteed to fit in a 32-bit integer. So our answer will be contained in int only. We don't need to use any long. And you must write an algorithm that runs in on time and without using the division operator. Like if you would have to use division operator, then it would have been very easy. But we are not allowed to use division operator, and we should do it in on time. So for this example one, like for this current index, like 2 3 4 multiplication is 24, so it's comes out at 24. For second index, here multiplication is 1 into 3 into 4, that is 12, so 12. For this 1 into 2 into 4, that is 8, so it is 8. For last index it is 1 into 2 into 3, so that is 6. Same goes for example number 2. So I hope you have understood the question. So let's go to the explanation. So suppose this is the given input 1 2 3 4, which was given in our example number 1. So we'll maintain two arrays, prefix array and suffix array. Prefix array will contain like the elements, like we will like up to the ith element, what is the product from 0th index to the ith index. So we'll start from the first. So initially product is 1. Now 1 into 2, that is product is 2. 2 into 3, product is 6. 6 into 4, product is 24. Similarly, suffix will contain from the last index. So initially the product is 4. 4 into 3, product is 12. 12 into 2, product is 24. And 24 into 1, product is 24. And then for calculating answer, what we will do is initially like for the first case and last case will be handled separately. So for the first case the answer will be equal to this, so this will be 24, because this will contain the product of all the elements from here to end, so this will be 24. And for last index the answer would be this 6, because this will contain the product of all the elements up to this starting from 0th index, so the answer will be 6 here. For calculating answer for any middle index, like for this index, if you want to calculate the answer, then this will be prefix of the previous index multiplied by suffix of the next index, because this contains the multiplication of all the elements before this index, and this suffix will contain the multiplication of all the elements after this index. So 12 into 1 is 12, and here this is being calculated 2 into 4, that is 8. So in this way we can calculate our answer. So this will be 24 12 8 6. So you can compare it 24 12 8 6. So our answer is matching. So in this way like algorithm will work out. So let's go to the code. So initially we will define what is the size of the nums array, so that would be n. Then we will initialize our integer value, that would be 1, and then we will define these two arrays, prefix array and suffix array, as we are defining here, prefix array and suffix array. Then we will first calculate prefix array. So initially it will be equals to nums of 0, 0th index. So 0th index is equals to nums of 0, so that is 1. Then we will just multiply previous index with the current index. So this will give us prefix I. Similarly for suffix n, we will start from the ending, and nums n minus 1 would be equals to suffix n minus 1. So as last element would be equals to nums, and then we will go from n minus 2 to 0, and we will just take the next index of this suffix and multiply it with the current index of nums, and in this way we can generate our prefix and suffix arrays. And then we will initialize our answer array, and first of all we will calculate answer for 0th index, that will be suffix of 1, so product of all the elements starting from 1. And for n minus 1 answer would be prefix of n minus 2, so product of all the elements starting from 0 to n minus 2. And for calculating from 1 to n minus 2 index, we will just do prefix of I minus 1 multiplied by suffix of I plus 1. So previous I element I minus 1, 0 to I minus 1 elements multiplication multiplied by I plus 1 to n minus 1 index multiplication. So that will give us answer I, and then we will return our answer I. So in this way the code will work. Let's try to submit it, run it. So yeah, it is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So this is like ON solution, and we are not using any division operator, as it was mentioned here that our algorithm should run in ON time and we should not use any division operator. So yeah, it is working fine, and I hope you have understood the explanation to this question. I will attach the code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach the problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So thanks and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, have a nice day.